Complex document collections are difficult to understand. Important claims may be repeated, contradicted, or separated from their original sources. Sending an entire sensitive case file to an external AI system can also expose more personal information than necessary. TraceMatter is a local-first workflow for turning document collections into source-bound evidence structures. This demonstration uses only synthetic data and runs without an API key, network access, or live model request. TraceMatter loads a controlled 8-page case file, calculates its SHA-256 hash, preserves the original PDF, extracts the source text, and creates a protected representation with stable pseudonyms. The semantic register organizes the documents by type, sender, issue, purpose, and review status. The claim evidence matrix separates a claim's original source from support, contradiction, qualification, context, repetition, and unresolved information. TraceMatter does not calculate truth, guilt, credibility, or legal outcomes. The source viewer connects each claim to an exact passage and shows the original page, validation status, page hash, and extraction data. The original PDF remains unchanged. TraceMatter folios are added only to a derived working copy. Before the recorded demo runs, TraceMatter creates a minimal disclosure bundle and requires a first human approval. A separate second approval is required before local rehydration and export. The application then provides the original PDF, a foliated working copy, CSV files, complete JSON, and a hash-verifiable tmcase package. Codex desktop with GPT 5.60 was used for planning, implementation, evidence model refinement, bilingual interface development, automated testing, and release verification. The submitted application itself contains no live AI integration. The final release passed 71 automated tests. TraceMatter. From document chaos to source-back clarity. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in TraceMatter, I'd appreciate a subscription. New updates and features will be introduced in the coming weeks. See you in the next video.